Are you tired of fluorescent lamps? Would you like to preserve more open space? Perhaps you'd like to avoid a chaotic ceiling or wall in the space you're in charge of, be it a supermarket, a warehouse, metro station, parking garage, a corridor, or some other industrial space. If you've answered yes to any of these questions, ShineLong EcoMini waterproof LED lights are the perfect choice for you. What's so good about them? Everything! Their compact mini design can easily replace a single T8 fixture. They're easy to install thanks to the detachable end cap, and their long lifespan means you won't need to replace them often. What's more, their PC body offers UV protection. They're waterproof, dustproof, damp-proof, and vapor-proof. They're available in microwave sensor and sensor dimming and can be used as emergency lights. They can be CE and RoHs-certified and come with a 5-year warranty, so you can be certain that the quality is exactly what you need, and more. Stop wasting space and effort. Visit us now to learn more and get long-lasting, compact, highly efficient lights for your space.